Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the top 5 new useful kitchen items that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video.
The Van Ness 2-cup capacity pet food scoop is a practical and reliable tool for pet owners looking to streamline their feeding routine. This scoop, designed by Van Ness, a trusted brand in pet products, offers a convenient solution for accurately portioning pet food. Made from durable plastic material in a vibrant blue color, this pet food scoop is both visually appealing and functional. The scoop has a 2-cup capacity, making it suitable for measuring out precise portions of pet food for your furry friends. Measuring at 11.75 inches in length and 4 inches in width with a weight of just 2.4 ounces, the Van Ness pet food scoop is lightweight and easy to handle. Its compact size makes it easy to store in a small space such as a pet food container or cupboard. Overall, the Van Ness 2-cup capacity pet food scoop is a well-designed product that offers practicality and convenience to pet owners. Its sturdy construction, precise measuring capabilities, and compact size make it a valuable.
The Spectrum Diversified Euro Kitchen Organizer for plates is a sleek and elegant solution for keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Made of high-quality alloy steel with a satin nickel finish, this organizer is not only durable, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen decor. Measuring at 4.25 inches in diameter, 4.5 inches in width, and 13.5 inches in height, this organizer is designed to efficiently store plates while maximizing space. The reusable feature of this product makes it environmentally friendly and cost-effective in the long run. Whether you have a small kitchen space or just want to keep your plates neatly stored, the Spectrum Diversified Euro Kitchen Organizer is a practical and stylish choice. Say goodbye to messy cabinets and hello to a well-organized kitchen with this premium quality organizer.
I recently had the opportunity to try out the Gizmo Snap N-Strain Pot and Pasta Strainer by Kitchen Gizmo, and I must say I am thoroughly impressed. This adjustable silicone clip-on strainer provides a practical solution for draining pasta, vegetables, and more directly from your pots while saving space in your kitchen. The lime green color adds a refreshing touch to my kitchen aesthetics. The silicone material feels durable yet flexible, making it easy to attach to various pot sizes. Its adjustable design ensures a secure fit, preventing any spills or accidents during straining. Measuring at 10 inches in length, 5 inches in width, and 2.5 inches in height, this strainer is compact enough to be stored without taking up much space. The clip-on feature is convenient and makes straining a hassle-free experience. Overall, the Gizmo Snap N-Strain Pot and Pasta Strainer is a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen. Its functionality, space-saving design, and quality construction make
the Roswell stainless steel fine tongs are a testament to exceptional craftsmanship and functionality. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these tongs exude durability and elegance. The sleek silver color enhances their visual appeal, making them a stylish addition to any kitchen. Measuring at a convenient 12.2 inches in length and 0.79 inches in width, these tongs offer the perfect balance between control and precision. The fine stainless steel construction not only ensures longevity but also provides a secure grip, allowing you to handle food with ease and confidence. Rosli, a renowned brand synonymous with quality and innovation, delivers once again with these stainless fine tongs. Whether you are flipping delicate fish fillets or serving a salad, these tongs are versatile enough to tackle any culinary task with finesse. Overall, the Roswell stainless steel fine tongs are a must-have kitchen tool for anyone who values quality, style, and practicality. Elevate your cooking expertise.
The Etexity Food Scale Digital Kitchen Scale is a versatile and reliable tool for a wide range of applications. Manufactured by Etexity, a reputable brand in the industry, this scale comes in a sleek stainless steel color that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. One of the standout features of this scale is its wide range of recommended uses, making it a versatile addition to your home. Whether you need to weigh ingredients for cooking, portion out meals for your pets, or even weigh packages for shipping, this scale has you covered. Its ability to weigh items such as jewelry, medicines, fruits, and vegetables provides added convenience for users with diverse needs. The Etexity Food Scale features an easy-to-read LCD display that ensures accurate and clear readings every time.